Hello and welcome to Sevan Motors, and as the name of the channel suggests, we are in South Harrow. We moved from Hammersmith to South Harrow. Today I'll show you something really interesting, and hopefully it will help someone and save some money. Now this is a Mercedes A-Class A200, and I just replaced the control unit for the gearbox. I'll show you what it looks like. Now this control unit here, it came out of the gearbox and I put a replacement one, a reconditioned one, but there is a fault code that I'm unable to reset, and that fault code is relating to the variant coding, and I'll show you how to deal with that. Now this car is left-hand drive and it's in French. Let's put the ignition on. Yeah, well, what that means is there's a problem with the gearbox. Take it to a workshop. Now, obviously to change the this variant coding, you need a scanner that was capable of doing that, and I use a C5 SD Connect. Right, it's quite simple and easy. You don't need to go online. You don't even need chassis number. The control units, yeah. Drive. CVT. And then go to let's see the fault codes. Yeah, the fault code 0610. It's about variant coding. So the variant coding is not actually a program, it's part of the program which is relating to a specific model, not specific car. And there's only 13 of them, 8 of them being petrol models and 5 are diesel, which means if you remove a control unit from an A150, you fit it to another A150, it will work perfectly without any coding. But this obviously was programmed for a different car, which is okay. We'll change that code now. Go to development data and then control unit adaptations. Then control unit adaptations, variant coding. Right, this is variant coding in German. Okay, if you see, this is the variant coding of the control unit, and obviously it's the wrong code. See the list here, it's not a big list, it's not a very long list, it's only a few of them. Now before I removed the control unit, I made a note of the variant coding for the vehicle, and I made a list here with different models, and this one was R000 because A200. So let's change that to the R200, R000. Yeah, and say okay. Do you want to code it? Yes. It's all been done. Now let's go back. Check fault memory. Yeah, let's clean that. Hold on. Let's clear it. Ignition off. Let's read the fault memory again. Right, no fault codes. It's all been programmed now. and the message disappeared. Now I can use the car with the control unit coded to this car. You see, it's so simple and easy. Now I made a list here with relevant models, and it doesn't cover all of them, but I'll put this list, I'll write it down below, and the more models I get, I'll keep updating. Now I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it will save you some money and time. Thank you.